trying to connect a Bluetooth device on your Windows but nothing's working. No Bluetooth icon, no settings, and it just keeps saying Bluetooth could not connect. Well, here is the truth. Your PC might not even have Bluetooth at all. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how I fixed the problem, how to check if your PC actually supports Bluetooth, and what to do if doesn't, the right way, quickly and without wasting your time. Let's jump in. First thing first, let's check, does your PC even have Bluetooth hardware? To find out that, right-click on the Start menu and search for Device Manager and open it when appear. Now look for a section called Bluetooth. If it's missing, that's a big clue. Your motherboard might not have a built-in Bluetooth adapter. Now from the top, click View and select Show Hidden Device. Sometimes it's there, just not visible by default. But if it's still missing, then yeah, your PC does not have Bluetooth. And that's totally normal, especially on custom-built desktop or budget PCs. Manufacturers often skip Bluetooth to cut costs. Now here's the fix that worked perfectly for me. A USB Bluetooth adapter. They are small, super cheap, and plug right into any USB port. Just plug in it, wait a few seconds, and Windows 11 will handle the rest automatically. No extra drivers, no setup stress. The Bluetooth icon shows up and boom, you're ready to connect your device. Just to make sure one by one, it supports Bluetooth 4.0 or 5.0 and it's compatible with Windows 11. Most of them are plug and play, so no hassle. And that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like, and if you still have questions or want to share what worked for you, let me know in the comments.